Hello and welcome to my channel. Happy Memorial Day weekend. This weekend I thought it'd be kind of fun to pot some plants out front and try to make the front of the house look just a little bit cuter. Maybe like a girl lives here, I don't know. I got these pots a while back at, I think it was TJ Maxx. They're really cute. They're like these 3 concrete planters. It's like a set of 3. It goes like bigger, medium, small, super cute, but I got them from TJ Maxx. Way more inexpensive and I think better quality than a lot of the ones that you'll find at Lowe's or Home Depot, because I honestly did look there first. But anyway, I always love their planters and stuff. I don't know if you can see the tree behind me is in a planter that I got from Marshall's Home Goods TJ Maxx. But anyway, this is my first time ever planting like outside pots, so it should be interesting, so stay tuned. Okay, it's about time to actually start planting, but so these 3 like cement looking pots I got from, I think it was TJ Maxx, and they came in like a set. That one's gonna go in the backyard, so I already have that pot, but these kind of go together and I wanted them up front. And initially when I bought these at Lowe's, I kind of thought that bigger one would go in the big pot and then that would go in the middle-sized pot. I knew that one would go in the little one. But now that I've got it here, I've moved it back and forth twice already, but I think it makes the most sense to actually have that one in the biggest pot and then the tall guy in the medium pot. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But what do we think? I really love this one, but it's not gonna go up here. Now you can tell that I'm not a pro because number one, I don't know the names of any of these, which is great. And number two, I don't have like gardening gloves or like any little shovels or tools for any of this. I'm literally just gonna be using my hands, but we're gonna get into it. Okay, all of them have been planted. I think they look really good, honestly. And then one thing I do know about potting plants is that you need to like completely soak them in water immediately, like fully make sure they're drenched. So I watered them. It's been a little bit since I watered them, and now I'm gonna try to arrange them up front. I don't know how I want to do it just yet, so we're probably gonna play with it for a minute. Okay, I should have taken it before, but I mean, there wasn't a ton that I could really do, I don't think. Well, there's definitely more that I could have done, but for my first time ever like planting anything, I think this is pretty good. And I got the hanging guys over here, looking nice. But yeah. I mean, the yard itself definitely needs some work. We put in this like path and little fire pit area at the end of the fall last year. So it definitely needs some work. There's been a bunch of weeds growing up. So we sprayed those and now they're all dead. So they need to be like picked up. And I probably could use some more of the white rock. But anyway, I mean, there used to be literally nothing up here, just grass. No one ever walked in the front door. So I think we're making progress. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I will have a lot of similar content coming out. There's a lot of pieces to this project that were a little bit unfinished, and just other things that I like to continue doing around the house. This is a little free rental that we live in, so any way I can make it look a little bit more homey, I definitely try to do my best. So anyway, stay tuned and thank you for watching.